I didn't mean to do it. Oh. Oh. No! No!
Mới dồn pi mát. Sudah berapa? Sudah berapa?
No, Dad, I'm not gonna do it hard.
Get it in there.
Icy Baker. Go potty.
She said hell no. Come on. Get up. Get up. It's okay.
Oh my God.
Guys, help, I think my cat is broken.
You take 6 feet back. Back up. Back up.
What the hell? Hey Alexa, what does a dog sound like?
I put my cup down for a solid second, and this man's has his entire.
What a, oh my God.
No, this is
Matt. Really? Awkward.
People want to know how we afford to go to B-Plus full time.
My feet.
What do you mean your feet?
Feet Finder pays me to upload my feet pics.
What do you mean, like that?
Hey! Feet Finder.
Chippy Clark's?
Which one was Steakhouse?
Oh, this one.
Hey, 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 hey! I would die for you. Aww.
Đánh no bộ đây ấy.
What is that? Phoebe, come here. What is that? Oh my god, why?
Help. Mother, please. I'm gonna die. I see God. Death awaits. This trash goblin has taken 10 years off my life.
Fucker. Bruh. Ah. Open the door again, like pretend. Come on, Sonny.
Now jump. Jump in. Oh my god, Mama, what is that?
No. No. Please don't do it. He's like the devil.
Please, can you pronounce 53? Пока папы нет, папин суп. Во все стороны глядели.
Don't you dare! Ah! Don't! Sadie?
I did. John, do you know the inspector house test? You're gonna have to talk to him.
Get that shit back.
Oh, I needed some of this right here.
Really?
Is this the OxyClean? Okay, sweet.
Really?
This is yours?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, I thought this was like a clearance cart. Oh, I'm sorry.
You can buy it off.
What is in your mouth?
Oh, and let me take a picture real quick.
I got you. Let me see it.
Hi. I would just like to say that you look so unbothered, but then I also had this dude. Y'all, I mean, okay. Damn! Oh my god! That shit is burning up.
I got AC in my mouth.
Did I suck in good enough?
Yeah, we'll see.
Do you mind if I just pay in the front?
Sure.
Okay, cool. She fell for it, bro. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Would you mind being in a video?
No, that'd be fine.
Alright, so pick a number between 1 and 10.
Let's say 7.
7? Well, it's your lucky day. You just won brand new AirPod Pros.
Wow, you're kidding me. Really?
Yeah.
Free?
Yeah.
Why?
You won. Nothing, you won.
How come?
You win. Have a good one. Have a good one.